In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images in Canva. This process is simple, and by following a few straightforward steps, you can create stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. Whether you're a seasoned Canva user or just starting out, this guide will help you make the most of Canva's AI image generation feature. Let's begin by opening up your Canva editing page. If you're not already on Canva, head over to their website and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the design that you'd like to work on or start a new one. The interface is user-friendly, and you should see a dashboard with various elements and tools. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar, which contains a variety of tools for editing and designing. Here, you'll find a feature known as Magic Media. This is where the AI image generation magic happens. Click on Magic Media to open up the tool. This step is crucial as it opens the door to creating AI-generated images with ease. After clicking on Magic Media, you'll be presented with a text box. This is where you'll type in a description of the image you want to generate. Think about the kind of visual you're aiming for. Be as detailed as possible, as this will help the AI understand and create more accurate representations of your desired image. For example, if you want an image of a sunset over a mountain range, make sure to include details like the color of the sky or the presence of clouds. Once you've typed in your desired image description, press the Enter key or click on the appropriate button to initiate the AI image generation process. The AI will then analyze your description and begin creating an image that matches your input. This process might take a few seconds, so be patient while the AI works its magic. The generated image will appear on your Canva workspace. You can now drag it into your design or make any further adjustments as needed. Feel free to resize, crop, or add text and other elements to personalize the image further. Canva's flexible tools allow you to tweak the image to fit perfectly into your design. Finally, once you're satisfied with the image and your overall design, you can save your work. Canva offers various download options, so choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's for web use, print, or social media. And there you have it. By leveraging Canva's Magic Media feature, you've successfully generated an AI image. It's an incredibly useful tool that can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!